Hi, my name is James.
And I'm Matt.
And I'm Marie, a Persona AI language tutor. I use computer vision to read your emotions, analyze your speech patterns, intonations, and help you communicate naturally in any language. I can even dance.
The big thing about communication is that a lot of it is nonverbal. It's really important to understand the perspective of all the emotional cues and contexts that go along with any language that you're learning. And that's what we built Persona for.
We've built 3 core technologies into Persona. The first is computer vision emotion detection, which allows our AI agents to tailor their learning to the user's understanding and help them understand the emotional nuances in language.
We've also built intonation and pronunciation analysis that's driven by both computer vision and machine learning. And what this is going to do is it's going to help our users understand how to better speak the language in a way that they wouldn't get with a lot of the current existing platforms.
The third is a complex real-time animation process for our avatars, which allows our AI agents to feel more human-like and enables a more interactive learning experience for users.
That's enough talk. Let's see what Persona can do in action.
Welcome to Persona. Let me show you something magical.
So I'll show an example of how we might use it here. One of the best ways to learn a new language is by engaging through speaking with someone else. So that's what we're going to do here. We can ask Persona, how would I order a coffee in French?
Here are a few common ways to order coffee in French. 1. Simple and polite. Un café, s'il vous plaît. A coffee, please. Un espresso, s'il vous plaît. An espresso, please.
For example, café noir, espresso, and we got some places that we can see as well that might be relevant to us considering we want to order some coffee.
But here's where it gets fascinating. Our AI doesn't just hear you, it sees you. Every smile, every confused look. Our neural network analyzes your expressions and adapts in real time. Watch how I adjust my teaching style based on your emotional state. Look how
So let's say I ask it something else. Start a conversation with me in French. And I'm gonna make myself look really confused here, have my face scrunched up, and we'll notice some...
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous aujourd'hui?
Wait a few seconds here.
I greeted you in French by saying bonjour. Comment. This is a common formal French greeting. Would you like to learn how to respond to this greeting in French?
So there you go. I didn't click anything else, I didn't do anything else. It automatically recognized that I was confused and it broke down its greeting in French for me. Another really cool thing you can do with Persona is get some feedback on your pronunciation of words in different languages. Critique my pronunciation of the word dans in French. And I'm gonna say it here, dans, and you can see it grabs the landmarks of my lips to see how I said it.
Ajuster l'ouverture pour le son nasal. Adjust opening for nasal sound.
ready to experience language learning that feels like magic but powered by cutting-edge AI?
Persona has a unique microservices structure. So we have 2 front ends, one in Vue and React for the avatar, and one in Next.js for application shell, which make calls back to the Node API as well as the Flask API. We came into this project without much experience, but this weekend we learned so much about animation, computer vision, neural networks, as well as animation.
There were also a number of challenges that we faced this weekend that required us to find innovative solutions to make Persona work as efficiently as possible. An example of that is we had to use multi-threading to make sure that we could have multiple different threads open to make Persona multimodal, so in taking in inputs of text, images, and sound.
Another challenge involved mapping the actual phonemes to voice animations in our program, which allowed our avatars to speak naturally. And that's Persona. We really think we built an amazing project this weekend, and we truly learned a lot. We really hope you liked it.
Thanks for watching our video.